Do you often use Google Translate? You're just using it for school or work, right? From now on, after watching this video, you can already make money from using Google Translate. You can earn up to thousands of dollars every month. You want to know how? Check this video and find out. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. Google Translate is one of the tools of Google that can help us translate words, phrases, or sentences into another language. Everyone knows Google Translate. Although Google Translate is inaccurate, it can still help us understand the meaning of foreign words. Today, I'll show you a brand new technique to make a lot of money online by just utilizing Google Translator for free and earning thousands of dollars. To do so, you just have to simply follow the basic and simple directions in this video. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to achieve this. And the greatest part is, you won't have to pay anything to do it. It's available all over the world, so if you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan, you'll have plenty of options. You may do it on your computer or on your phone. And I'll show you how to make a lot of money online with Google Translate if you follow my directions. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Translate. Simply by searching Translate on Google, click the first link to be redirected to the website. If you still don't know how to use this, you simply select the language to which your sentences will be translated. Paste the sentences in the first box, and you will automatically get a translation in the second box. Easy, right? Step 2. Go to CPAGrip.com. Now that you know how to translate, the next thing we need is the CPA Grip website. If you have been watching my videos, I have discussed how to register for CPA Grip in our last video. Now, the best thing about what I am about to teach you today is that only a few people know about this yet. So now that you are already signed in to CPA Grip, go to My Offers. As you can see here, the country is automatically the United States. Usually, the payout for the US ranges from about $1 to $3. That's still good if all you have to do is to share the link, and if someone completes the task, you will get that payout. When you select other countries like France, United Arab Emirates, Spain, and other countries, they are actually offering better opportunities. This is where your Google Translate enters. So when you click other offers in other countries, it is also written based on their language. Say for example, let's go to Spain. We'll click this and paste it to Google Translate so we can understand the instructions they have given. Select a domain and just copy the link they provided for the offer. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now, let's continue. Step 3. Go to bit.ly.com. You don't want to have a very long link that looks like spam. Usually, we judge a clickbait website based on its links, right? So we don't want to actually scare people away just by looking at our very long links. So you want to go to bit.ly so we could shorten your link and customize it. Just paste your link and then it will automatically generate a shortened link. Step 4. Advertise your link. Now that you already have your link, it's now time to post it on social media accounts. Be sure to put it on Spanish audiences for it to be valid. Since this offer is located in Spain, we must have to offer this to Spain. You should try this website called Traffic Ad Bar. It lets you advertise your links for free. Go to trafficadbar.com, paste your link from the bit.ly and create an advertisement. Let's go back to CPA Grip and we have to get their website. If your target is Spanish, so the advertisement must be in Spanish. If the advertisement in CPA Grip is in English, you can translate that to Spanish just by using Google Translate. Put an ad title and ad line. For the ad line, just put the title of the product, and for the ad title, just put the ad that is in the offer in CPA Grip. Be sure to fill up in Spanish and the target audience to be in Spain. And that's it. You'll just have to wait for someone to perform the offer and you will get the payout. If the ad shows to 500 people and you will at least get 10 people to complete the task and the payout for the offer is $25, you will get $250 easily. You can always choose another country, not just Spain or US. There are a lot of offers available in CPA Grip. And that is just how to use Google Translate and make money in CPA Grip. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you want to make money just by using Google Translate? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.